Hi everybody, my name is Allison Marks and I am the Education Manager for the professional team at Murad. I'm also a licensed holistic esthetician. Today's video is all about how to determine your skin type. There are 5 skin types: normal, combination, dry, oily, and sensitive. So you have a dry skin type if you experience flaky, scaly, rough patches, or your skin feels tight. Oily skin can look and feel shiny, and you likely have enlarged pores. If you have combination skin, you will be dry in some spots like the cheeks and the forehead, and oily in others like the nose and the chin. If you have a sensitive skin, you may notice that it stings, it burns, it itches, and sometimes that will happen after using makeup or certain skincare products, and it also can be red or irritated. So now that we know the skin types, I'm going to give you tips for how to treat each of the skin types. So for dry skin, you're going to want to cleanse with a creamy cleanser to restore moisture balance, like our Prebiotic 4-in-1 Multi-Cleanser. With toning, look for a hydrating toner, an essence, or even a serum to really boost hydration and decrease the visible signs of internal and external dehydration triggers. Exfoliation is really important to remove dulling cell buildup and open hydration pathways to maximize treatments that follow. Try replenishing multi-acid peel for this. When it comes to moisturizer, use creams that are going to attract and lock in hydration to support a strong and healthy skin barrier. Intense Recovery Cream, Hydrodynamic Ultimate Moisture, these are perfect. You can also add an oil for extra hydration. That's something I love to recommend. Use an eye cream also to moisturize and reduce fine lines, wrinkles, and dryness around the eye area. Hydrodynamic Ultimate Moisture for the eyes is perfect. Also, apply SPF daily. It's essential for hydration and broad spectrum sun protection, and Perfecting Day Cream is my favorite for this. Oily skin will benefit from cleansing and toning to deep clean and rinse away excess oil, visibly minimize pore size, and calm irritation. Clarifying cleanser and toner, excellent choice for these. Oily skin also needs moisturizer, so hydrate, control shine, and minimize pores with a lightweight, oil-free, non-comedogenic hydrator like Clarifying Oil-Free Water Gel. Also, using masks to help draw out impurities and control oil in the look of pores is a great option, and our Clarifying Mask is excellent for that. For SPF, look for those that control oil and shine. Yes, they exist. Oil and pore control mattifier is the best for that. If you have combination skin, choose a cleanser that washes away impurities without over drying the skin. And when it comes to treating your skin, depending on the season and your main skin concern, you can choose from a multiple serums. So when it comes to moisturizer, you can also choose heavier cream in the winter like Hydrodynamic Ultimate Moisture, and a lighter cream in the warmer months like Nutrient Charged Water Gel. It's important also to exfoliate, to remove those dulling cells, to help to open hydration pathways, to maximize treatments that are going to follow. So try replenishing multi-acid peel. When it comes to SPF, depending upon the season and your main skin concern, you can choose from Oil and Pore Control Mattifier in the summer and a richer option in the winter like Essential C Day Moisture. If you have a sensitive skin type, gently clear away dirt and makeup and balance and hydrate with Prebiotic Cleanser and also Prebiotic Mist. Also, when it comes to serums and treatments, you're going to want to look for gentle serums and formulas to really help to soothe and balance. Sensitive Skin Soothing Serum is excellent for your skin type. To remove dulling cell buildup and clear hydration pathways, to maximize your treatments, try the AHA/BHA cleanser or replenishing multi-acid peel. Look for moisturizers with skin soothing benefits that are in Intense Recovery Cream. And for the eye area, Revive Elixir, Hydrodynamic Ultimate Moisture, these are excellent choices. Sensitive skin also does really well with the mineral SPF, so try our City Skin SPF 50. Normal skin will benefit from our Essential C cleanser, hydrating toner, and when it comes to serums and treatments, you can choose a serum based on your main skin concern like Revitalixer, and also choose one in the morning and one at night. So then use Retinol Youth Renewal Serum at night. To exfoliate, really to maximize your treatments that follow, try Replenishing Multi-Acid Peel. And for moisturizer, try the Nutrient Charged Water Gel if you like something lighter or something richer, Hydrodynamic Ultimate Moisture. And for the eye area, you can try Renewing Eye Cream. Essential C Day Moisture is the perfect moisturizer and SPF for your skin type as well. So that concludes today's video. Thank you all so much for watching. We'll see you next time.